Halo, good evening Tribuners. Welcome back with me Kusnul Asyaifah in Indonesian News of Tribun Lampung. We will present you an updating and interesting information from every place in Indonesia. And here the complete news. The first news is Indonesian athlete won lost distance running category. Long distance runner Agus Prayodo managed to become the first runner who crossed the finish line in the category's full marathon at the Indonesian International Marathon 2022. Based on the record time, Agus managed to make a running trip with a distance of 42 kilometers. It is known that the cut-off time for the full marathon category itself is 7 hours. Cut-off is the time limit for the runners crossing each stretch of that permits distance determined. Wearing a bright pink sandals, Agus' arrival was greeted by cries from the audience. Shortly after crossing the finish line, Agus greeted for audience while raising a red flag with a given by the organizer. As is well known, Agus' work is well unknown, especially in the world of riding. The last achievement he achieved, Agus managed to silver medal in the men's marathon number at the 2022 Vietnam SEA Games. The Indonesian International Marathon 2022 event in Bali Sunday, 6 June 2022 was held in collaboration with the Indonesian National Sport Community and the event organizer Tribun. Tribun.io is the media-based event organizer that was founded in 2015 engages in the meetings, in treatment, conferences, explanation, briefing, fashion, music, and the sport. The next news is the Department of Transportation Sports Star Bonity is no longer a terminal. Semarang City Transportation Agency with the Central Java Provincial Transportation Agency and Police Traffic Semarang carried out the control of the buses that were heading Kahaudat forward Tarboyo Terminal on the Wednesday 2022 June 2000 and the control revealed the diaries of the Mayor of Semarang number. Head of the Transportation Division of the Semarang City Transportation Service, Dede Bambang Hartanto said, the bus was no longer available along the pickup with the drop of the passengers at the former Tarboyo terminal. As a rule, boarding a dropping passenger is only done at terminal is the bus must enter toll at the Axis Mangko the Mangkal terminal. When the officer come to the victim of the former Tarboyo terminal, the fleet rushes up the leave the place. There is also the crime of the officer and shoot the hider first. Police officer broke the field and tackled it. The officer checks the completion and the document including ownership name, certificates, driving license, and the courtesy letter. According to him, the majority of the fleet drivers have this document completely to study flight roundly. It's a usual that there is population hanged out the pickup passenger at the Probilisa place. In fact, a stop sign has been installed from the transportation of the people. A bus driver recently had to stop at the former Tarboyo terminal because he felt that just experienced accidents. Thus, he did not continue his route. In addition, officer also checked passenger transport, especially bus route pool and the tourism capital of Java. Officer came to the pool and the Gunung area. Dode explained, checking the passenger transportation will be carried out office of day. All passenger transportation pools in Lupia City will be checked alternative as a from anticipation of the incident. The transportation check-in is occurring according to circular letter from the Ministry of the Transportation regarding from the April checking tourism justice fascia. The follow-up previous cases of track accident include because the tourists to the past and increases for the material losses. In the checking officer checks administration of the value leak during the checking a bus company location in the Gunung area. Officer not only found buses that were long operate, meanwhile, the bus present security a poor outstate in the city. Officer also found that where the license that the knowledge of in the where a location contract is attached, that they applied the first owner for immediately received administrative advice in order to provide safe service to the public. The next news is the match fly the flute, resided blind alternative blade from the bamboo. The break in the Nanangan village, Bunta district, Bangkai Regency, Central Sulawesi, has not yet been received to government authorities after being swept away from the flood on the Sunday. The resident finally took effort to make alternative brick from the bamboo. The brick is made of the bamboo as an alternative road to student council to go to school and facilitate its mobility of citizens. Since our bridging was broken, residents have faculty filtering their daily life as well their feeling the started to soon a tree go to school. Even so, students still will go to school by the crossing the river even though the risk their life. However, the river currently heavy because it's running that the students to have given their intention to go to school for the safety. Ika said, actually the alternative way without having the river that the bridge has broken. However, it must arriving using a motorized fence sealer. In addition to the school children, IKA format location resident that also developer is the care one to strobing for the basic necessity. Meanwhile, for the clean water, resident take water river in the sea is clean. Because the flood Nanangonung village is a number of clean water installation were damaged. The next news is full chaos fire in the Bilenaw. Losses due to the fire at the full oil BPM. Chaos in the Bilenaw Regency are estimated at hundreds of millions of rupiah. Although there were no facility at the fire accident on the MRT Street Maliau City Village, North Kalimantan, but the Fig village had the phantom from the exhausted struggle with the road rooster. Even the Fig father is stopping the fire using sand. Fire Fig fled the rusing to hospital that a fire received Fig Maliau Street had the overwhelmed flame matters. One firefighter was so exhausted that the fighter was rushed to Antannerbe Hospital. Whose most burning material is a fungus drum to the disaster prior type. The fire quickly spread of the difficult to the control by the Malino Fire Department. A total of the 645 fire were deployed to the control the route of Jack. The next news is lead inspector of the ex-Holy Wings in Bogor. The mayor of the Bogor, Bima Arya, the head of the Bogor Police and the commander of the military district 0606 of the city of the Bogor led a direct selling of the North of 14 days to the Elvis Cafe and Restu ex-Holy Wing in the Bogor. Pajajaran Street is Bogor District, Bogor City on the Saturday. The mayor of the Bogor, Bima Arya, previously had inspector in the area in the ex-Holy Wings Bogor in around 2 p.m. Although it's a note that the name Holy Wings Bogor has to change its name to the office Cafe and the Resto. In this inspection was the fund related to the office was still stacked the liquor at the more than 5%. Bima Arya was complained by the Porto Comida Franks, also found the warehouse that the storage had of the bottled liquor above on the 5%. Bima Arya believe for use and Resto. There is an agreement between a number of employees that the dodgers were asked by the release in Port Forces, South Officer beverage. Meanwhile, Bima was furious with the discovery, said that the prevention given by his party not use of property. The propaganda at this Bima start from the being allowed to score about 5% and the oblique location is down. Bima Arya also expected will to continue to expect a sales period the regional regulation and regulation test. Species speckling. Bima Arya will permanently close the office at Holy Wings in Bogor. The next news is bus entry culture at the lake. A tourism by the crying a group of the Sayang Elementary School teacher, Jatinangor District, Sumedang interest arrived on the Raya Jangapola Street, Tasikmalaya Regency on the Saturday, 25 June 2022, early in the morning. In the incident, 3 passengers died, for the people were seriously injured and others were injured. The bus belonging to the river about 10 deep below which is a river on the Jalan Raya Padung Tasikmalaya National Park, Akshira Manusari Village, Rajapola District, Tasikmalaya Regency. Head of the Tasikmalaya City Police Adjutant Commissioner of the Police Ashari Kurniawan. He told that the PGS head of the public relations of the Jajang Kurniawan revealed at the chronology of the recent accident in the Tasikmalaya. He said that the bus was transporting a tour group in the Pangadaran tourist treatment. All the dead and seriously injured victims have been taken to General Hospital Dr. Sukarja in the Tasikmalaya city. Meanwhile, the tours of medium injuries were taken Rajapola Health Center. That is where the train currently still a bottom wheel arriving with the entire tire is back on. 2 tower truck development of the evacuated by the tracking bus number, the bottom and the right. Previously, it's not reported that the traffic accident occurred on the Raya Rajapola Street in the Tasikmalaya Regency on the Saturday. According to the information, 3 people died in the deadly accident in Tasikmalaya. Dozens of the other passengers were injured and have been evacuated to the hospital. The tourism bus, according to the information received by the Tribujabar.id, containing the group from the elementary Sayang Cikuru Sumedang Regency. They are now on their way to Pangadaran. When the passenger took the route in Rajapola, they fell arriving about 7 meters. The number of the passengers is now to be 50 people. And the last news is, student organization open independent pathway internment test guide. A number of the student organizations have established regeneration both for the independent test guide selection at Ministan Syarif Hidayatullah State Islamic University Jakarta on the Friday. The board of the registration of the BMATs of the location, the Student Center Building File, Campus 1 of the Jakarta State Islamic University, which is location on the Street Isis Ciputat Tangerang, Banten. An administrator of the Stabil BTS, Siti Masyara, said that the PBS was intended for the prospective student who has to give part in the selection in independent news student administered at the Jakarta State Islamic University. A student of Family Law Faculty of Syariah and Law, Jakarta State Islamic University, said that the PBS Stabil will create a test guide program on the July. Says Bima State Stabil as the campus organization of the Indonesian Islamic Study Movement, convenes the rest of the Faculty of the Da'wah and the Communication of the Jakarta State Islamic University also had in same event. The Committee of the Indonesian Islamic Study Movement, Komaffa, told the Bima prospective student who agree with the representative question and the study guidance for the independent news student administration selection, Jakarta State Islamic University. Well, I think that's all the news for today with me, Kusnul Aisyah. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.